today's episode, we're taking you to the Sault Tribe Food Distribution Program, a vital operation that supports the community by providing nutritious food to those in need. Join us as we go behind the scenes and witness how this program works, from the clients arriving to shop for their food to the dedicated staff who make it all happen. Every week, hundreds of families and individuals rely on the Sault Tribe Food Distribution Program to help put food on their tables. Inside the distribution area, clients have the opportunities to select food items that best suit their individual or family needs.
We got all these coolers and stuff down here. This one's full of vegetables. And we got fresh fruit in this one, eggs and cheese. Over here is all of our frozen stuff. Our clients can access these freezers by the front doors here. And then when we load them up and stock them, we use these doors over here. You want to look inside of them? This one's full of vegetables. This one here is full of fruit, apples, oranges, mixed fruit, grapes. And these freezers are usually at about 10 degrees below zero. So it's really cold. This door also is access for the forklift. And if you come back here, there's mostly the dry goods that we carry are back here, and canned fruits and vegetables. And I want you to take a look at that cardboard over there. That's all from 1 week. We're waiting for the recycle guy to come get it, but that kind of shows how much stuff's moving through this place, you know. This is all the food that we get in here comes through this doorway right here. This van is kind of special too. It's a refrigerated van that we do home deliveries to homebound people. It's custom made for us. Keep it like a refrigerator temperature, or you can make it into a freezer, whatever you want, you know, depending on what you're carrying around back there. But yeah, it's pretty nice.
As we conclude our visit to the Sault Tribe Food Distribution Program, we're reminded of the importance of community support and the impact it can have on the lives of individuals and families. Through their tireless efforts and the generosity of donors, this program continues to provide nourishing food to those who need it most. Join us in the next episode for another inspiring video as we explore heartwarming stories and the power of food in bringing people together.